So first of all, you need to go to your Chrome browser, and here you need to type zoom.support, and then go to zoom support, go down, go to this download center, and now here, as you can see, the Zoom desktop client, so you can download it from here. This is for Mac, so you can download it from here. This, it's been downloaded, so go to open, so click continue, click install, and then enter your PC password. It is preparing installation, hit OK. It is downloading, it is installing now. As you can see here, it's got installed already. It will take some time, but be patient. Okay, so downloading is successful. Hope you like it. Now close, move to trash that file. So here is your Zoom. As you can see, it is now, it will work now. You can run any kind of meeting here. So if you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.